The word angle is powerful because it helps us understand both shapes and viewpoints. It changes how we see things in math and in life. Angle can mean a space between two lines or a particular way of looking at something. Both meanings are very common. One mistake is using angle only for shapes, forgetting it also means a point of view or approach to a subject. Common phrases include angle of view, find an angle, and take a new angle. In math, we say angle between lines or right angle. She looked at the problem from a different angle. The angle between these two walls is 90 degrees. Try a new angle to solve the puzzle. He caught the ball at a sharp angle. Anna was stuck on her homework. Then she changed her angle, thinking about the problem differently. Suddenly, the solution was clear. Picture a corner where two walls meet, that's an angle. Or imagine turning your head slightly to get a better angle or a view. Remember, angle means a shape or a way of seeing. Use it to explore new views. Try it now and share your angle.